Hello my dear student. Today's topic is about ammeter and its connection. Ammeter is a measuring instrument which is used to measure electric current in a circuit. An ammeter is connected in series with the load. Here this is a circuit and this is the ammeter. Here we can see the ammeter is connected in series with the load. Why ammeter is connected in series? This is very important question. Here we can see this is a series connection and this is a parallel connection. Since ammeter has low resistance, if it is connected in parallel across the load, the maximum current will flow through the ammeter and ammeter will be destroyed or ammeter will burn out. So that is why ammeter is never connected in parallel across the load. Ammeter is always connected in series. Here, how do you identify, how do you understand whether the ammeter is AC or DC? Here, this is a symbol of AC and this is a symbol of DC. If this symbol is shown in the ammeter, then you have to understand that this ammeter is for AC current measurement. If this symbol is shown on the ammeter, then you have to understand that this ammeter is used for DC current measurement. Here you can see this ammeter is used for both AC current as well as DC current. If this ammeter is used for measuring AC current, then this portion will be used. If this ammeter is used for DC current, then this portion will be used, because this symbol is for DC symbol and this symbol is for AC symbol. Hope you understand. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.